Today we are exploring something that feels like it has driven straight out of the movies. The Magical Motorhome. Unlike ordinary RVs, this is the kind of vehicle you imagine in fantasy adventures and futuristic films, where the motorhome is not just a way to travel, but an experience that blurs the line between reality and imagination. Designed to impress both in looks and in features, it's the type of home on wheels that could easily be the star of a movie itself. From the outside, it looks like a masterpiece of design. Inside, it feels like stepping into another world. Its performance makes it feel alive on the road, and its price tag ensures it remains a dream for only a select few. Let's begin with the exterior. At first glance, the Magical Motorhome doesn't look like a bulky vehicle. It looks like something sculpted with imagination and technology. The glossy paint finish shimmers under light as if it's enchanted, with curves and lines that flow more like a luxury spaceship than a road vehicle. Large panoramic windows give it a futuristic style, reflecting the world around it like mirrors. Hidden panels extend outward when the vehicle is parked, transforming it from a streamlined road machine into a wide, spacious home. The lighting is another signature detail, with glowing LED strips that run along the body, almost like a sci-fi aura, making it glow at night like something out of a film scene. Even the wheels are designed to match the fantasy aesthetic, with chrome finishes that sparkle, giving the sense that the motorhome is ready for both luxury travel and cinematic adventure. Stepping inside, the magic truly begins. The interior of the motorhome feels like you've walked into a dream sequence from a high-budget movie. The lounge area greets you with plush leather seating that reclines at the touch of a button, hardwood flooring that shines like polished glass, and ceiling lighting that changes color to match your mood. The windows are so large that they seem to dissolve the walls, blending the interior with the outside world, making it feel as if you're floating in a moving palace. Every detail inside has been crafted with both luxury and fantasy in mind, from the gold accents on the furniture to the ambient lighting that can shift to warm candlelight or futuristic neon tones. The kitchen continues this theme of magical living. Far from a cramped cooking space, this one is equipped like a professional chef's dream. There are marble countertops, induction stoves that glow with sleek digital controls, a refrigerator that blends seamlessly into the walls, and even a hidden wine cooler. The cabinets open silently with a touch, and the entire kitchen area feels more like a set from a movie than a real motorhome. Cooking here isn't just about preparing food. It's about living in style while traveling anywhere you choose. The dining area is equally impressive, set with a luxury table and leather seating, with smart glass panels around that can turn from clear to opaque at the push of a button, giving you privacy whenever you want. It's easy to imagine dining here while watching the stars through the wide windows, creating scenes straight out of a film. The bedrooms are designed as private sanctuaries. The master suite comes with a king-size bed that feels like it's floating, complete with hidden lighting underneath to give it an otherworldly glow. The linens are of the finest quality, and a wall-sized screen allows you to enjoy movies in cinematic fashion. The attached bathroom is spa-inspired, with rainfall showers, marble walls, and golden accents that feel almost unreal in their opulence. Guest rooms are no less luxurious, ensuring that every passenger enjoys the same magical experience. Technology is where this motorhome takes its fantasy into reality. Everything inside is smart controlled. Lighting, music, temperature, and even window transparency can be managed through a touchscreen or your phone. Entertainment is built into the walls, with hidden OLED screens and surround sound systems that create a theater experience on the road. There are voice assistants integrated throughout, so with a simple command, the motorhome can shift from a cozy living space into a futuristic entertainment hub. Now let's talk about the price, because with something this special, it doesn't come cheap. Depending on customization, the Magical Motorhome can cost anywhere from a few $1,000,000 to over $10 million. Every detail, from the paint finish to the interior decor, can be personalized, meaning no two motorhomes are ever the same. This exclusivity is part of the appeal, because owning one means you have something that almost nobody else in the world does. It's not just transportation, it's a symbol of imagination, wealth, and luxury combined. Storage is cleverly integrated. Hidden compartments and expanding furniture make it easy to carry everything you need while keeping the space uncluttered. Adventure gear, bicycles, or even compact scooters can be stored without compromising luxury. This makes it as practical as it is magical, turning every trip into a perfect blend of exploration and comfort. Performance is equally breathtaking. While many expect a motorhome to feel heavy and slow, this magical creation moves with surprising grace. The engine is powerful enough to make highway cruising smooth and effortless, while the advanced suspension makes every ride feel stable, no matter the road conditions. The cabin remains quiet thanks to noise-canceling engineering, so it almost feels like the vehicle glides rather than drives. On long trips, this makes the difference between a tiring journey and a relaxing adventure. Driving this motorhome feels closer to piloting a luxury futuristic craft than steering a traditional RV.